it's Miss Goalson. This is our second video of the year. World Bamboo Day. So, if you have any bamboo and you're a citizen of the world, I'm going to check in at an 8. A 7? An 8. 6? I'm going to go with a 7. I'm going to check in at a 7. Feeling pretty good. This is a really lovely week of weather that matters to me. I get to play Dungeons and Dragons tonight. I am a dungeon master, so that means I get to write the story. I also really liked reading about you in your surveys. That put me in a good mood. So for your thought of the day, I think I'm going to try to make those pancakes. Because I want you to know that I do what you tell me to do. And Daniela told me to make those pancakes. So I'm going to try to do that. Let's see if I do it or not. Maybe I won't. I hope I do. Hope I do that for you. So yes, I did make souffle fluffy pancakes. I've already done it, but I haven't shown you the clip yet. I'm about to show it to you. So I think Daniela asked me to make souffle pancakes. I found a recipe on Norman. I found a recipe on Tasty for fluffy Japanese pancakes, and I'm gonna do that. Fluffy Japanese pancakes. We're gonna start with these eggs. I just went and collected them from my chickens who made them. I said, could you please give me your eggs? They said, we are looking for bugs. We don't care about if you take them or not. So I took them. We need 2 egg yolks. Norman! Do you guys hear that? He's meowing. Okay, I have now washed my hands and we're ready to get started. So it says to use a really big bowl. So I hope that this is a good enough size. I have a really big bowl. Should I use it? Or should I think I want this one. I'll put the yolks in this bowl. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Mix the eggs. I'm throwing this other eggshell because it's better. Okay, we got 2 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of sugar. I don't drink regular milk, but I have this almond milk non-dairy beverage. 1/2 cup of that for in our bowl. And it says 3/4 cup of pancake mix, which is just flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and sugar. So I made that already. I'll put that in there. I think whisk is a great item. Look at it. Who made this up? You don't want lumps in this kind of a situation. So I'm trying to get no lumps, a lump-free mix. Okay. We'll use the other yolks for, you can wash your hair with them. Did you guys know that? You can use it as a hair treatment. Uh-oh, the yolk. Oh no! Ah! You don't want that to happen to you. I'm gonna catch it using the shell. Hopefully it's fine. For this part, you just get my point of view. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go maybe up to as high as it goes. Norman, are you seeing it? It's happening, Norman. What do you think? You can't tell me because you're in the future and I'm in the past. I think it looks good. Now comes a fairly important part where I try to fold the egg whites into the batter. It has to be very careful. Okay? So if I'm not being very careful, you have to scream. Okay, already I hope some people are screaming because that was not the most graceful execution. Gently want to maintain the fluffiness. The time has come to cook. It says to make the heat the lowest possible, and you're supposed to have ring molds. I just happen to have those. One time I tried to make my friend a tiny rainbow cake. It worked okay, not great. The ring molds and place them in the pan. These need to be 3/4 of the way full, and that's it. Hopefully that's good. Okay, then I'm supposed to cover it. Uh-oh. Luckily I have this just in case. Uh-oh. Luckily I have this just in case. I can't see them, but I just have to trust. Trust is important. I'll see you in 10 minutes. Oh, uh-oh. They got kind of big. We didn't necessarily want that. I may be overfilled. Yeah, they kind of smell burny also. Oh well, that's okay. You know what? We have 2 more to make. We need to very carefully flip. Very carefully. I feel like I need how else do you flip it? That was bad. Yeah, I didn't do it careful. I don't know how to flip it without. How do people do this? That one I did better, but it was loud. It's a little burned on the bottom. Oh well. Cover it up again. 5 more minutes it says. But that felt like too long. I'm gonna give it 3. Hey Google, set a timer for 3 minutes. I always had a Google thing. I don't need this. This is just cute. What do we think? Are they done? This part looks kind of goopy. Tastes good. Oh, it looks really pretty on that side. Okay, to me this one's prettier, so I'm gonna make this one for Ms. Wasink. Okay, this is like our moment of truth. Norman, relax. Salted butter. Gotta unwrap it. Don't forget to unwrap the butter. That's thing 1. Maybe 2. She really likes butter. Why not? Why not? That's not for you. We made that. I'm gonna bring it to Ms. Wasink. Do you think that looks good?
Yeah, it looks amazing. Good slabs of butter on here too.
I thought you would like the butter.
Biting.
I'm really nervous.
It's so fluffy. I can already smell.
Would you say it's like a really fluffy pancake?
Yeah, it's like a really. I mean, look at the fluff factor. Get that zoom in, Doc. Don't. Okay, ready, Doc.
You took a big bite.
Oh, it's so good.
It's good?
Yeah, really good. Norman.
He's been bad. How many thumbs would you give it?
I mean, thumbs?
Yeah.
7?
Yeah, 7 thumbs.
7 thumbs, Doc.
That's a lot of thumbs.
7 thumbs.
Thanks, Miss Wassing.
Thank you.
Love you, Miss Wassing.
Bye, babies. Loves.
Now I would like to say that after making these fluffy pancakes, I feel like I've had an adventure and I want to write about it, which happens to me a lot. I find that sometimes I want to fill my well, which for me just means doing something that's a little bit novel. And by novel, I mean new, something I haven't done before. And that helps me find things I want to write about. And so I'm going to add on to this writing prompt, which is coming up next. For Writer's Playground today, I would like you to, from where you are sitting, try to list everything that you think you have in your fridge right now. And then choose 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 of those things in your fridge. And you may either sort of write a little like meditation, what you think about that thing in your fridge, maybe like a paragraph, like ketchup sucks. Personally, I don't like ketchup. Mustard, I would give a C+, B minus. I don't hate mustard, but I'm not reaching for it. Vegan mayonnaise, as Grimes said in her video about what she eats every day, is better than regular mayonnaise. So either write what you think about the food, or you can write something from the perspective of the food. If you want to try cooking a recipe just like I did today and write about what that was like or what it tasted like or whatever sort of thing comes up for you, food writing is sort of resonant because we all have foods that we feel passionately about, that we like or we really don't like. I'm just going to let this be sort of a wide open write about food thing. And I'm going to ask this to just be a timed writing also. So try to write for 15 minutes. Set a timer, write for 15 minutes, turn it in. Just 15 minutes of your life. You can do it.
Do not fall down that hole.
Uh-oh.
The water.
Into the water?
Yeah.
You're pretty cute though. Ah!
Oh.
Where'd she go? Oh, yeah, I see her. She's right out there.
Hi, Wendy.
Huh? She went over there.